Salesforce is a recession-proof career, or what are your thoughts on it?
So, really, I mean, this is, I would say, probably my second recession in my career. I have 11 years of Salesforce experience altogether on Salesforce. I started with, working on Salesforce technology, and now I work for Salesforce as a developer advocate. So this is almost like, I would say, my second one. So my first one, I was not actually in the job market. I remember I was in second year engineering when the recession happened, and there were a lot of job cuts. As an engineering graduate, everything was unsure at that point, like, what would happen to the world, like, will we get job, should we go for further study, should I do masters, all these kind of questions came in. And I think this is very relevant now, considering, because the situation is same, for people already working also, they might be thinking. Now, I'm not an economist, right? So, and recessions are hard to predict of what happens in the market. Things happen. It's just a part of the economic cycle, I would say. So I am a firm believer that whatever is in your hands, you can do only that much, right? And just because the recession is there doesn't mean that you should just tie up your hands and sit down, right? That's definitely not the greatest attitude here, right? I would say, we are very fortunate to be in Salesforce world. Salesforce is a great product. It's been adopted by 150,000 customers across the globe. From IDC report, by 2026, you will see that the job market will keep on going. That's the prediction, right? So I think we are lucky that, first of all, we are very lucky and fortunate that we are in Salesforce ecosystem. It's a very niche career skill, and also it's a skill in itself. So because we have all of these customers, and there are a lot of great innovations that are happening across Salesforce products. And one of the key things that I feel we are blessed, for considering we work in Salesforce technologies, Salesforce is sort of architected for all sort of environment. Like, for example, right, if you think about the current situation, right, where you need to be efficient, there needs to be a lot of work done by less amount of people. That's going to happen through automation, and Salesforce technology is easy to work with. You have products like Flows, where you can, like, quickly build your process automation, so you can automate your industry, right? So that way, I think Salesforce is architected for these kind of situations, right? I don't see cloud technology sort of stopping by, and Salesforce will be the key holder just because of the product portfolio we have. So I'm really confident, at least in my opinion, that Salesforce will continue to thrive even in this environment.